Good morning, everybody. My name is Arnold Luang Dusan. I am pursuing PhD in University of Delhi, India. I am working in anthropogenic arsenic contamination and its treatment under the supervision of Professor C.S. Dubey, Head of the Geology Department, University of Delhi. Before proceeding my presentation, I would like thanks to Conference Organizing Committee to give me an opportunity to present my research finding in this conference. Now, I start to present the paper. The title of the paper is Source of the Arsenic Contamination in Kaching Area, Manipur. This map showing the present groundwater scenario of arsenic contamination in Asia. More people are affected by arsenic poisoning in Asia than in the rest of the world combined. More than any other region, developing countries like India illustrates the complex interplay between exposure from drinking water, food, irrigation, cooking, and nutrition. Next slide. Study area. The study area is located in Thawbal district in the southern part of the Imphal Valley, between north 24.25 degree to north 24.75 degree latitude and east 93.75 degree to east 94.25 degree longitude. The Imphal Valley lies in the Disang Formation of Indo-Myanmar Range. The study area was peatland in the past. Even today, the area is surrounded by wet and marshy lands of Loksi Park, Khalung Park, Phumlan Park, and Khoidum Park. The peat, swampy, and landlocked condition of the valley favors the formation of pockets of bog iron deposits in the region. The area is drained by Segmai River and not sufficient for all purposes throughout the year, and hence dependency on tube well and hand pump increases manifold. This is the Segmai River. Next slide. Statement on the problem. Arsenic contamination in the groundwater is a burning environmental and health issue in various regions of the world, especially in developing countries like India. In Manipur, most of the valley region has arsenic contamination problem, especially in Kaching area, studies area. Due to rural area, the main source of drinking water and household purposes in the study area is from the groundwater, that is hand pump. Singh and Chakrabarty have confirmed arsenic contamination in the groundwater of study area. None of them has found out the source of arsenic contamination in the area. Next to Imphal, Kaching is the biggest town in Manipur. As of 2001 India census, it has population of 28,746. Next slide. This figure showing Kaching town and Segmai River. Here there is a settlement area, and this is the Loksi Park. That means there is a lake known as Loksi Park in the northern portion of the area. The elevation of the area is comparatively low in comparison with the surrounding area. The region around the lake is covered with water bodies and marshy land. The marshy land consists of very shallow water bodies covered with grasses and water plants. The marshy land is the type of wetland which is subjected to frequent or continuous flood. Next slide. This figure showing high arsenic value in bar graph format on Google Earth image of study area. Red color indicates high arsenic value. I will discuss later for high arsenic contamination of the sample. Next slide. Water samples were analyzed in field itself with the help of WACTEC digital arseneter and collected for further analysis. All the bottles were rinsed 3-5 times with the water to be collected and then filled to the brim and kept tightly. Field photographs. First photograph showing the testing of arsenic contaminated water samples using WACTEC digital arseneter in field. And second photograph showing the concurrent testing mode. This one. Next slide. This bar graph showing the arsenic concentration of the samples. Green color indicates the arsenic value less than 10 ppb, that is below the permissible limit given by WHO, World Health Organization. And yellow color indicates the arsenic value less than 50 ppb. And red color indicates very high arsenic value with a maximum of 111 ppb, this one. However, EC and pH value of the samples are within the permissible limit. Next slide. Source of arsenic contamination. In general, there are two types of source of arsenic contamination. They are natural and anthropogenic source of arsenic contamination. Natural source may be due to leach out of minerals from mineralization zone, for example, Rajniganj Dam and Kankan district of Chhattisgarh. Number two, due to leach out of arsenic minerals from sediment, for example, arsenic contamination of Ganga Brahmaputra plant. And number three, arsenic related to bog iron, for example, North Rhine-Westphalia, Germany. And secondly, arsenic contamination due to anthropogenic source. It may be due to discharge of arsenic-bearing minerals from thermal power plant and industries, for example, arsenic contamination in areas surrounding Rajghat thermal power plant, Delhi. Number two, due to leach out of arsenic-bearing minerals from coal mine, for example, arsenic contamination in China. Number three, due to agricultural fertilizer, for example, arsenic affected by phosphorus fertilizer addition in West Bengal, India. And last, due to wood preservation. Next slide. From the above source types, we concluded the arsenic contamination in a study area is related to bog iron ores. The bog iron ore samples were collected from the three paddy fields study area. This map showing the different formation of the study area. First one, there is alluvial formation, which is lower elevation, this formation. And second one is Dishang formation, this one. This high elevation. Between Dishang formation and alluvial formation, there is a zone known as Bedouin zone. Then the first photograph showing the deposition of bog iron ore under alluvial plain, this one. And second photograph showing the collection of bog iron in the field. Next slide. Most of the bog iron ore deposited of the area were sunk and subsided in the alluvial soil, and then they were in order to collect the samples. First, the area is dug out into 0.5 to 1 meter, and then collected polythene bags for further analysis in advanced microscopy lab and scanning electron microscope facility using like a orthoplant microscope. Polish sections and slides were prepared for ore microscopy. The ore microscopy of bog iron samples depicts the presence of goethite, minor amounts of magnetite, fine-grained quartz embedded in ground mass of fine-grained lithic fragments. Sulfide minerals in the form of sarcopyrite and arsenopyrite are found to occur randomly. Arsenopyrite occurs as fine-grained and angular in shape, this one. And this photo micrograph showing goethite here and sarcopyrite here and fine matrix of magnetites randomly distributed here. Next slide. Cell analysis. Cell analysis of the selected spots of bog iron were done as well as morphological and compositional DSE images of the spots were also studied. Goethite crystallizes in fractures and channels from sheet with high polishing harnessed with curve-like coatings. The presence of sulfide-bearing minerals in bog iron were identified in the ore microscopic studies and were confirmed in the cell analysis. Next slide. XRD analysis. The powder sample of bog iron were prepared for X-ray diffraction study. XRD analysis confirmed the presence of arsenic minerals present in the bog iron samples. The sample number HKBI here shows the presence of the following minerals: illite, montmorillonite, kaolinite, quartz here, and chalcopyrite here, arsenopyrite here, arsenic bearing minerals, and magnetite, and magnetite also here. And XRD of bog iron sample number NKBI forms the minerals illite, montmorillonite, quartz, magnetite, and chalcopyrite, and arsenopyrite. And the XRD of bog iron sample SKBI iron, illite, montmorillonite, kaolinite, quartz, and chalcopyrite, and arsenopyrite. Next slide. Conclusion. Finally, we conclude the following points. Groundwater in Kaksing area is arsenic contaminated with a maximum level of 111 ppb above the stipulated limits of WHO. On microscopy of bog iron reveals the presence of copper and arsenic bearing sulfides minerals such as chalcopyrite and arsenopyrite. XRD analysis confirmed the presence of arsenic bearing minerals, arsenopyrite, in bog iron samples of the area. This study shows that main source of arsenic contamination in groundwater of the study area is from the bog iron deposits. Thanks for your kind attention.